Have you ever noticed something strange? The harder you try to make her like you, the faster she pulls away. You text first. You plan everything. You compliment her constantly. You're always available. You do everything right. And yet, she drifts further. You start asking yourself, what did I say wrong? What did I miss? Why isn't this working? Here's the brutal truth most men never hear. She didn't lose interest because of what you did. She lost interest because of what she felt. And what she felt was your desperation, your neediness, your hunger for her approval. Even if you never said the words out loud, your energy screamed them, and energy never lies. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why trying too hard destroys attraction, and how to flip the switch so women start chasing your energy instead of you chasing theirs. If you've ever felt invisible, confused, rejected, or like no matter how much effort you put in, it backfires, this video is going to change how you show up forever. Stick with me till the end. This might be the most important realization you'll ever have about women and attraction. Men are taught one big lie. Attraction is built through effort. Do more, give more, prove more, impress more. Show her you care. Show her you're safe. Show her you're the nice guy. But women don't fall for effort. They fall for polarity. They fall for tension. They fall for mystery mixed with unshakable calm. When your energy says, I need you to like me, I need your validation, I'm incomplete without your approval, she feels it instantly, even if your words are perfect. You can fake your smile, you can fake your compliments, you can fake your tone, but you cannot fake your energy. And needy energy repels feminine energy like oil repels water. That's why the moment you start chasing, the attraction dies. Every text you send first, every double text, every "Are you okay?" when she goes silent, every long paragraph explaining yourself. You are removing the tension. You are killing the mystery. You are giving her certainty too early. And certainty is the enemy of desire. Think about that one guy every girl talks about. He's not the loudest. He's not the richest. He's not even the best looking sometimes. But women obsess over him. Why? Because he doesn't chase. He doesn't perform. He doesn't beg for attention. He's calm, grounded, busy living his own life. His silence makes her wonder, why isn't he texting me? Why isn't he trying harder? What's he hiding? What's inside him? That wondering, that curiosity, that uncertainty. That's where attraction is born. Not in your compliments, not in your availability, but in the space you leave for her imagination to fill. Female psychology is wired for polarity. Masculine energy equals strength, direction, independence, emotional stability. Feminine energy equals flow, emotion, softness, openness. She can only relax into her feminine when she feels your masculine frame is unbreakable. The second you start bending, chasing, explaining, over-investing, she feels the frame collapse. No more polarity, no more tension, just comfort. And comfort kills passion. So what do you do instead? Stop moving toward her. Start being still. Stop trying to make her feel something. Let her feel the magnetic pull from your grounded presence. When you're calm, when you're centered, when you're not performing, she starts moving toward you. She starts investing. She starts chasing the feeling only your energy can give her. That's the secret most men die without knowing. The less you chase, the more you're chased. The less you try to control the outcome, the more control you actually have. The moment you stop needing her approval, that's the moment she starts needing yours. If this hit you hard, if you recognize yourself in any of this, drop energy in the comments right now. I want to know who's ready to shift. Like this video if you're done chasing and ready to start attracting. Subscribe and hit the bell, because we're building high-value men here, one mindset shift at a time. Real charm isn't made through effort. It's revealed when you stop trying and start being the man who no longer needs to. I'll see you in the next one. Stay grounded. Stay